Here is T20 squad of Bangladesh for World Cup 2021. Mohammad Mehmudullah, age 35 years, also known as Rayad, right-hand batsman. An all-rounder who bowls tidy off-spin and bats in the middle order, Mehmudullah has spent the last 3 years figuring out how fickle form can be. Liton Kumar Das, age 26 years, wicketkeeper batter. Liton Das is the first wicketkeeper batsman in Bangladesh considered good enough to be a long-term successor to Mushfiq Rahim. Mohammad Naeem Sheikh, age 22 years, left-hand opening batsman. A tall left-handed batsman, Mohammad Naeem impressed immediately in his debut season by racking up 556 runs at 46.33 in the 50-over Dhaka Premier League. Mohammad Mushfiq Rahim, age 34 years, right-hand wicketkeeper batsman. He is brother-in-law of Mehmudullah. He shows sound technique in his glove work and is Bangladesh's first-choice wicketkeeper after Dhiman Ghos's departure to the ICL. A stodgy lower-order batsman, Mushfiq has grown into one of the better players of spin in the lineup. Naseem Ahmed, 26 years old, slow left-arm orthodox bowler. He made his debut against New Zealand at Hamilton in March 27, 2021. New emerging player of Bangladesh cricket, Shakib Al Hasan, 34 years old, also known as Shakibul Hasan. Left-hand batsman with slow left-arm orthodox. When the annals of Bangladesh cricket are sifted by future generations, Shakib Al Hasan will emerge and re-emerge as the greatest cricketer of its first 2 decades. As a bowler, Shakib is accurate, consistent and canny. Aggression and a wide range of strokes are the keys to his batting. Even more importantly, he has self-belief and an excellent temperament, unflustered by the big occasion and ready to do battle against the top teams. Soumya Sarkar, 28 years old, left-hand batsman as middle-order batter. Soumya Sarkar is a Bangladeshi all-rounder, but one who bowls medium pace rather than spin. He is predominantly a top-order batsman, but his seam bowling has been termed as more than useful by many coaches in the country's age group and domestic scene. Afif Hussain Drubo, 22 years old. He is part of squad of Bangladesh T20 as an all-rounder with left-hand bat and right-arm off-break. At 17 years, Afif Hussain entered Bangladesh cricket's consciousness when he became the youngest to take 5 wickets in T20 debut for Rajshahi Kings in the BPL 2016. Mahdi Hassan, 26 years, right-hand batsman, picked for T20 squad as top-order batter. By the time Mahdi Hassan earned his maiden ODI call-up in January 2021, he had already played 159 domestic matches for 10 different teams in the first-class List A and T20 tournaments. He has now emerged as one of several contenders for the all-rounder spots in Bangladesh's white ball team. Mohammad Saifuddin, 24 years old, left-hand batsman and right-arm medium-fast, a bowling all-rounder. Mohammad Saifuddin is a pace bowling all-rounder whose attitude, mental makeup and early performances have excited many in Bangladesh cricket. Mustafizur Rahman, 26 years old, left-arm fast medium and left-hand batsman. He made his first-class debut for Khulna in the 2013-14 season. Soon enough, the Bangladesh selectors picked Mustafizur for the one-off T20 International against Pakistan and then, midway through 2015, for the ODI series against India when he became only the second bowler after Brian Vattori to take 5 wicket hauls in his first 2 ODIs, paving the way for Bangladesh's first ever ODI series win over India. Qazi Narul Hassan, 27 years old, nicknamed Sohan, is right-hand batsman and wicket-keeper. Narul Hassan, who made his first-class debut in 2011, is one of a whole host of talented Bangladesh wicket-keepers. Narul made his T20 international debut in January 2016 against Zimbabwe, one of many experiments that the selectors indulged in ahead of the Asia Cup and the World T20. Shamim Hussain Patwari, 21 years old, all-rounder, left-hand batsman and right-arm off-break. Young energetic new blood in Bangladesh cricket. Selected for the T20 World Cup for Bangladesh squad. Taskin Ahmed, 26 years old nicknamed Stazan is a tall fast right-arm bowler and left-hand batsman. Even before he was anywhere near making his international debut, Taskin Ahmed became an internet sensation. A video of his spell against England under-19s in 2012 found its way to YouTube, and the sight of a Bangladeshi fast bowler ripping it past batsmen and hitting the wicketkeeper's gloves quite hard and high made people curious. This is all about the Bangladesh T20 World Cup squad for 2021 held in UAE.